In this video, I will be showing you how to create a poll on Facebook in 2023. First, you have to launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're currently logged into your account. Now, if you go to your status or if you're going to post a status here, like you tap this what's on your mind, you can see the option poll here. But Facebook already removed that feature when you're using your personal account or when you're using your Facebook profile. So you can't post any poll status here. So before, you can also log into your or tap and go to your page. Then there you can create a poll status. But even if you create a new page now, or even if you have your page now, also Facebook application or Facebook remove the poll feature on your Facebook page. So the question is, where am I going to see this poll status, or where can I post a poll on my Facebook? So the answer for this is you just have to go back to your Facebook profile or home feed, and you have to tap this groups here. And you must have your own group in order for you to create or in order for you to post a poll status. So as you can see, I have my group here, Best Team. Now, if I'm going to tap this right message, I can see the feature poll here. If you're going to search it below, here it is. So I can create a poll if I am using my Facebook group or if I have my Facebook group. To make it short, in order for you to create a poll on Facebook, you must have your Facebook group. So here you can leave a question as a question if you're happy, and then you have to answer yes or no, and you can post it. And anyone can answer it, anyone who's on your Facebook group list. I do really hope that this video helped you, and thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.